So Bane, and that's the bloody thing about Bane, he represents chaos. In fact, he's an agent of chaos. And in contrast, we have CIA, who represents order, roughly speaking. But CIA, in his bitter resentment, in his postmodern cultural Marxist ideology, he tries to tame the chaos. And that's a bad idea, man. It's like if you tried taming fire, it's just going to leave you burnt. But CIA, he tries anyway, motivated by a lust for power. And it's like, God, it's so sad. It's like you're not a big guy. You're not a big guy, and no postmodern rationalization will change that. The evidence is clear. The scientific literature is explicit on this matter. And speaking of taming fire, what happens by the end of CIA's experiment? The fire is not tamed, quite the opposite. It's actually rising. And this demonstrates exactly what happened in the 20th century. And it's like Solzhenitsyn writes in the Gulag Archipelago, the bloody Marxists attempted to quell fire, but in doing so, they merely fueled it. And, well, actually, they did quite a bit more. You can't pretend to be a big guy if you're not. We tried that experiment in the 20th century, and it was a bad idea, man. And it is not a route you want to go down.